What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Okay, so we're back into the natural bedding bin. I actually have it turned around. Normally this is on this side. So I'm pretty sure that's the side I fed. Got a bunch of my little pill bug buddies. Oh yeah, I see some worms. Oh yeah. So I was smart, and I do have my mortar tray right over here. So I was able to put them all in there nicely. Like I said, I believe the feeding area would have been over here. And there's some of those, the newspaper. Pumpkin stem, doing good, attracting the worms. There's a big hole in the mango. Pit or seed. Yeah, definitely not a fan of this newspaper that much. It looks like it kind of matted itself down pretty good. I do have leaves for today's feeding. Piece of that broccoli. Another piece of that broccoli. The stems of broccoli is pretty hard. Here's the grapevine. All I'm trying to do here is just make sure I kind of loosen up some of where that newspaper was to allow some of the castings and other bedding in that area to allow the worms to hopefully successfully break it down over the next few weeks. Moisture level's good of it, you know, feeling the newspaper and all. Scoot everything back just a little bit for the fresh bedding. Giving everybody a nice big Christmas feeding. Here's a banana peel. Looks like some lemon. A grape, which I'm gonna squeeze. This does have a good bit of juice, so I'm gonna add that in here too. Gonna add a little eggshell grit to the worms. So that's ground up eggshell. Because the worms don't have teeth, they go ahead and take small bites of the eggshell, and as they wiggle around, that helps to break down their food and their crop and their gizzard. Okay, so these guys now are topped off with the bedding. I need to add this burlap blanket back in here. Without losing too many worms. Okay. So now I have everything covered up the way I like it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this Worm Wednesday Christmas edition. Everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have a great New Year. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.